Welcome back. I got a quick one. So I bought a bracket from Gasbox. I bought their 2-in-1 exhaust. I didn't even know they had this, and so I bought it because I had one on there before and I kind of made the little bracket and it was a little weird. And this one was 15 bucks, so what the hell. And it's super nice and probably won't rust and all that. Pretty standard. This goes around the pipe. Hopefully I can find enough bolts for this thing. I think I'm gonna already see one that's not long enough, but let's put this on. Make it a little quick one. All right, so after fussing with it, make sure you put this bolt in first. And then, it's like this. Put the bracket bolt in. Like so. There you go. That in there. That's good enough for me. Uh-oh, might have another problem. Alright, I just want to say I got a website. I don't ever really promote stuff. I don't even know how to. Check out my website. I got hats. I got beanies on there. Sticker packs, $5. I just grab them out of here. You get 2 each, 1 each, whatever I feel like. There's other stuff on there. Coffee mugs are really good. The camp mug's the best one. Best bang for your buck. I got regular mugs, bigger mugs. I got some buttons on there. Stay tuned. It's about to be winter time. I'm gonna work on some other graphics. Just keep checking the website. I'm gonna keep putting little things on it. Maybe make it like a vlog or something. Thanks for your support. Head over to my website. It helps support me as a creator. If stuff starts selling a little bit more, I'll come up with some more funny stuff or more metal stuff. You tell me. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Do this first. Okay. All right, that's it. Bracket installed, nice and solid. Kind of fussed with it to clamp it actually down on the pipe because I don't want it to be inside and rattling around. All right, there's the bolt set up. Looking kind of goofy, but no one will ever see that. Yeah, Gasbox 2-in-1 for your shovel. I don't know what else they're for, but cone, I'm assuming. This fishtail to put on there. Of course, I didn't think about it, and it's got a big old end on it. The only way to really put it on there is to weld it, cut this off, and then weld it. I don't really want to do that. I just want to clamp it on. I don't know, maybe I can cut that off and then weld something else on there and clamp that on. That might be the move. But till then, it's a cool thought. All right, that was a quick one. Just a little bracket. Like, subscribe, comment. Go check out Gasbox. If you're in California, they'll ship you and sell you whatever. I try to buy it on lowbrow, but they won't ship anything to California. So if you're like me, you live in California, you have to pay don't have any fun taxes, aka you can't buy anything. Just go straight to the website. That's always my advice. And see you on the next one.